hope you're having a great morning. I got up not feeling too well, so I'm gonna take some vitamin C and stock up on some pharmacol and flu because I realized that at the office some persons have been coughing. So yesterday I got literally everything that I could get to just make sure that I do not get the flu, because when I get the flu it just goes downhill. I get things tenfold than other people, so I just try to avoid and evade and not get the flu. I can still smell. I feel congested though, but our Christmas tree is in. I'm pretty happy for that because, when the Christmas tree comes in, that sets the precedence for the season. So now, since our Christmas tree is in, we're going to decorate it and we're going to bring in the Christmas season. I'm gonna eat real quick and then get ready for work because today is still a work day. I just woke up and decided to vlog. I usually wake up at this time. Today I wanted to just vlog. I don't know why, but I wanted to vlog and show you guys like what happens on a normal day. This is a chill morning because I'm not feeling too well. Hopefully the home remedy helps and I am able to get better throughout the day. So without further ado, here is my morning vlog on the first day of Christmas. I'm joking. First week in December. That's all I know. So hopefully I can get the backlog of videos out before I can edit and post this one. But what it's worth, I'm just vlogging because I feel like it, and I wanted to share what happens in a typical morning with me. So let's go. I don't know what's happening, but it is so cold today. I have on a whole sweater because your girl is freezing. So I'm gonna take pharmacol and flu because it says it is a nasal decongestant. And whatever else. Nobody cares about whatever else, okay? I'm gonna take one dose. I need to hurry up because my meeting is in 10 minutes. This better work, man. This better work. Oh. Okay, time for the meeting. Okay, so sorry guys. And this meeting that's going to start now, and I have another meeting at 10, so it should end at 12. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take a nap because the girl is extremely tired given the nasal congestion. I wasn't able to sleep. I just want to take a nap to refresh. Is that asking too much? Ugh. But I'm going to go into this meeting now. I just sound like I'm in a vacuum right now. I sound low. I sound like something is happening. Guys, it's because I cannot breathe through my nose, and because of that, I sound clogged up. So I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best right now, and I am trying to keep warm. I'm trying to take my spray and everything, and hope to God that this clears up real soon, because your girl sounds like she's in a vacuum. So it is 12 o'clock. Finally got out to the meetings, and I am starving. I'm gonna try and find something to eat. Hopefully it's easy. Oh my god, I forgot how medication works, because you literally have to eat something substantial. I had ramen and oatmeal, and I'm still dying. Like, I don't even know. But I'm gonna try and find something. I have to find something to eat, because your girl is starving. So give me a second. I really hope the cheese in this does not affect everything that I've been trying to do since morning, because I don't want to be stuffy again, but I'm hungry, and this is the only thing on demand right now. So pray for me, guys. So I'm back in the room. The girl is tired. I'm gonna take this. I don't even know why I'm acting like I have the flu, which I don't. Yeah, that's 10 ml. Whew. How often do you take this? I don't even know. Is it? Oh well. I am going to be out like a light in probably half an hour, so I'm just going to take a nap.